Hey, what's going on, Forex family? This is Sean Rico with Sean Rico Forex, bringing you another tip. And the tip today is, a lot of you know I like to use the green tomato system, Cynthia's green tomatoes, right? And I always tell you that she has this powerful thing on there, which is the MACD. And everyone's like, "Oh man, we've heard of the MACD before. The MACD is nothing special, but this MACD that she got is special. Let me tell you something. The way she has the lines, she has the daily and also the 4 hour. There's a lot of MACDs out there, but it's not like this MACD, right? And this is what makes it special. So not only if you ever buy, listen, the system is down below in the description, right? Click on the link down below, get the green tomato system, you're gonna love it. But the one I'm gonna talk about today is the second one. You got the basic green tomatoes, and then you have the advanced green tomatoes, right? The advanced green tomatoes has the MACD and it shows the daily and the 4 hour. Why is this important? Number one, if you look at her videos in a PDF, it teaches you when you're going to get in a trade with the MACD, you want the daily and the 4 hour to be on the exact same side. Exact same side. If it's not on the same side, don't get in a trade. And that's where patience come in. And when you deal with Forex, there's so many people that don't have patience to wait. So what if it's not on the same side for the whole day? You got tomorrow. You got the day after that. Isn't it worth waiting 1, 2, even 3 days if you have to, just to get the pips that you want? I think it is. But through people in impatient status, how people lose so much money in Forex. Impatience, impatience, impatience will kill you every time. It'll get you. So you got to have patience when it comes to Forex. But what I want to talk about, there's something, and I don't even know if Cynthia knows this. If she knows it, kudos to you. She built a system, and what I love about it, she always teaches in the videos and even in the PDF when you read it and learn how to use the system. She always tells you to wait till the daily and the 4 hours on the same side. But I found something, and I want to show you today exactly what I found about the MACD, especially on the 1 hour. All y'all that know me know that I love the 4 hour window, but there's something I want to show you on the 1 hour window when it comes to the MACD. So as you see right here, I have the charts right here. And look, down here is the MACD, right? So in the orange is the daily, right? And right here, the yellow is the 4 hour. So let's just say, and this is not what I'm trying to hit at, right? But she always teaches, wait till it's on the same side. So if you started this new day, right? You see your purple baseline right here? That's a 0 point. That's the pivot point. That's the center line, right? If you see right here, the 4 hour, the yellow, and the orange, which is the daily, is on the same side of the purple baseline. So, if you got in that trade, got in here, cool 30 pips, we're on the 1 hour, right? But here's the thing that I love about it, and I want to show you. So, when it's on the same side, you want to get in that trade, right? But let me show you this tip. Look, going to another week. Or another day. This right here, I'm on a 1 hour, so this whole day, right? Another day, another day. So look, see how it's on the same side? Same side. But boom, right here. Look at this. And this is the one I want to point out. I found this when I found this, and it's rare that it comes, but when it comes, I promise you want to take full advantage of it. Cynthia always teaches, hey, you want the daily and the 4 hour to be on the same side, but watch this. See your orange daily, and then you see right here the yellow, the 4 hour, it's on the same side now. But here's the thing, this right here is what I want to focus on. Let me grab my triangle, and I want to draw this right here. Look how this is. You got the daily, right? But look how the 4 hour comes down and dips below the daily. Below the daily. You're saying, why is that so significant? Anytime it's on the same side and your 4 hour passes or dips below the daily, oh my God. You want to catch some pips? That is the perfect time to catch pips. But you have to wait for it to happen. So look right here. So you got right here, of course, you got your red parabolic star, right? But look right here when it dips below. Comes down, comes down, comes down. Look at that. Look at that. I'm already at 70 something pips on a 1 hour window. Within what, 3 hours? But the reason why this drops so low is because if you look right here, you see that the 4 hour dipped below the daily. And look how it stayed like that. So, and that's a little tip, a little secret I want to share with you, and a lot of people don't know that. So, in the green tomato system, if you have the MACD, of course to get in trades, you want your daily and your 4 hour to be on the same side. But if that daily is here, and you know, of course in here we're going down, right? But if it dips and goes below, let me see if I can find one where it goes above. It's rare. It's rare that it happens. But let's go back and see if we can find one. Boom. Here's one right here. And also, I want to share this with you also. You see how this daily right here is kind of high up in the window? And also, the further away that the daily is away from the purple baseline, the longer the run is going to be. It's going to be a good run. But here's another example, right? So look right here, as she teaches. You see about right here, that's the purple baseline. But you see how the 4 hour yellow is on the same side as the daily of the baseline? But look when you get about right here. And of course, we want to wait till we get our green parabolic SAR, right? I'm going to say you get right here, right? But look right here. Let me get my rectangle, because I want to draw around it. Right here. Right here. You see how the yellow 4 hour shoots past, and we're in the buy, shoots past, the 4 hour shoots past the daily. Oh my God, look at that run. Let's see how many pips we got here on the 1 hour. So say you would have got in here. Boom. Wow, look at that. 90 pips. 70 pips. 87 pips. Anywhere in this area right here. Right in here. And why was this possible? Let's grab our crosshairs. Look at the point right here that it shot above. We're already going to get in a trade here just for the mere fact that it's on the same side. Just the mere fact that it's on the same side of the purple baseline. But oh my God, right here is when it shot past the daily. If you waited just till then, only then, say you waited till the beginning in, you're still looking at 70 pips. Listen, I don't know what else to tell you. If that's not a super tip, if you already like the green tomatoes MACD, then you're going to love that tip right there. Whether you're in the buy or in the sell, if that 4 hour, if you're in the buy going up, if that 4 hour busts and goes past the daily, oh God, that's money in the bank. If you're in the sell, going down, and that 4 hour busts and goes below the daily, you like making money? If you like making money, follow that tip. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you want to try the green tomato system, start with the basic, then to the advanced, and then extra advanced pro. Click on the description down below. Get the green tomato system. It's a great system. Love it. Been using it, making money off of it. I hope this tip helps you. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Get the system. Get the system, man. Leave comments. Let me know how it's helped you. Till next time, this is Sean Rico with Sean Rico Forex. We sign.